Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A72 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this device. First of all, open any apps like Settings, Gallery and Browser. Then click at the button with 3 lines and tap on the icon of an app. Select Open in pop-up view. So this is the first one, second one and finally the third one. Now, if you want to see all of them, just click at the bubbles. If you want to close any of these windows, all you need to do is go into Background Apps again and swipe up the chosen one. If you want to close all of them, just do the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!